Hi guys, welcome back to Paper Confessions with Karami. I'm back with a DT haul. Excuse the noise. Our neighbors, a landscaper is working. You can hear some humming sound. It's because they're working at the yard. I have some crafty hauls, snack hauls from DT. My daughter Emmy is preparing some goodie bags for her friends. They are going to be celebrating their 8th grade promotion end of May. So super excited for her. We got some of this lei that are her school colors. So she'll be wearing that together with her outfit. We have those cute little wands that says you did it. And then in the goodie bag, she wanted to include some of her friends' favorite snacks. Now, Emmy got these fruit slice marshmallows. She wanted to try that, so that's for her. And then she got sour streamers for one of her friends, peach haribo, and we have gummy clusters with the Nerds candy, so that'll be interesting. And apparently one of her friends is really a big fan of sharks, so she got her some gummy sharks. And one of them also loves to eat teriyaki beef jerky. So in addition to that, we also got her friends some novelty socks, one in mac and cheese, and this, she thought they would like that. And then one for another friend of hers that has the top ramen. She got one for herself for, what is it, Garfield. And then we got the Frosted Flake Tiger. So that's what this looks like. And again, not bad for $1.25. If you go to one of those novelty sock stores, this can cost about $5.99 and up. So we thought that was a great find. And then she got another one for one of her friends with moon pie. So this will be cute to bag it up and add all the goodies. I did find some crafty items that I will be working with, and I think some for Emmy. One of them is this synthetic fur, craft fur, so you can, create lining or make a doll out of that. So she got 2 colors with the light blue and purple. We also got these pop-ups that will be fun to include in the goodie bags for their promotion. I think that is super cute. We got the smiley faces there. Looks like, yeah, that's the one. And then I got a few trims. I'm going to be using this for an upcoming swap that I have to send over. And this is being hosted by My Frugal Wonderland, Alice. And so some of the colors that I wanted to use for the items that I'm making are the yellows and cream. So I'm going to put that to use. And then Alice, actually, speaking of Alice, she had done a really big haul from her Dollar Tree and she had purchased a lot of these DIY jewelry making kits. So we did see them and we found a few left, and these were the ones that we picked up. I love that it has these cute little plastic star and crescent moon beads, and it has some of the spacer beads and the elastic included. We also got, I just bought one of these. I don't think I need a lot of them, so I just bought one of these beautiful blue spacer beads, which will be fun to add to chunky charms or other crafty projects, even pens or bracelets. And then I love these iridescent beads. Look at these colors. Wouldn't that look great in a vintage journal with our pinks here and then these clear ones and these really nice faceted looking black, purple, and blue combo with that one bead. And then I've seen a lot of crafters also make their shaker cards using some of these seed beads. Now they claim to be glass beads, and I think Emmy will love to use this too in her bracelet making, but I thought I'd use some of the smaller ones for our shaker cards. And I got that variety, and then I got the greens. And I think this would be fun to add. And there's a lot. Another bead set that I did pick up are these cute pearlized beads and these fun colors. How pretty is that? And again, 150 pieces for $1.25. You can't beat that. And we also found some embroidery hoop kits. I love this little hedgehog. The pattern looks simple enough, so I'm gonna try and make this. and add it to a project. Here's what it comes with. It comes with the pattern. Let's go ahead and open it up and show you what's in here. So for this embroidery kit, it shows you an instruction sheet. It includes that. On the actual paper, you have the illustration of our cute little hedgehog. So that will be super easy to sew on as a guide. And then it has the 4 different flosses and the colors that you will need to sew that cutie pie. So here's what it looks like. And it also comes with the needle and the hoop. So that is pretty awesome. Now I did get a few more, and I think they would be fun to send off in Happy Mail for friends that love to do these projects. Again, this is from Crafter Square. Look at this one with the strawberries. Wouldn't this be fun to work with for a summer project? So I did get one for my daughter, Emmy. And I'm going to have her pick. I don't know which one she will like, but I got her either a mushroom or the strawberry. But how fun are these for our summer and for our projects? I got a couple of the strawberries. And then they had this in the school supplies section. The next one are velvet bulletin boards. You can split them in 3. It comes with the push pins, and then you have the adhesive. So, I mean, you can use it for your jewelry and other projects. I thought we would try that out. I also got one in the round shape. This is the adhesive, and you got the pearlized push pins. I also got myself a pair of these socks, perfect for my running shoes, and they're again $1.25. Now let's look. Oh, here's another one of our mushrooms. I also got a few stickers. I've never seen this in Dollar Tree, so I'd love that these butterfly stickers in particular are dimensional and not flat, and it's almost like they're reticulate. So I may likely put this on a handmade card, and then here is another set showing that. Super pretty, beautiful for a springtime theme. And I love my wax seals. So these are wax seal stickers. Again, perfect to put on Happy Mail in cards or your journal entries if you're junk journaling. My daughter Emmy requested these mini glass containers. I think she's organizing some of her other supplies. And then I went to the stamp aisle and then found these really cute stamps. They're like garden stamps. Let me just show you what they look like. I'm trying to find a clear paper that I can lay them on top. Sorry about the glare from the light, but this is what it looks like. It is a garden stamp set, and I love that it has a sunflower. So I got a couple of these, and I will be mailing out one for a swap. And in addition, I found a stamp block, and I thought this was a really cute shape, and it's perfect for our smaller stamps. So that's really nice to find. Again, if you are a beginner crafter, Dollar Tree has some really affordable stamp supplies and crafty supplies. And then from the makeup aisle, I was surprised to find the Maybelline green lipstick. They sell this at Target for, I think it was $5.99 or something, but this was $1.25. So I was super happy. This is my shade, so I got that one. And then I found some vellum paper with some gold hearts. So we're going to have to test it out and make some envelopes or little paper bags with these. So I'm excited to try that out. And then I also, this is something that I've seen before, but I thought I would use it for a project that I'm working on. And these are the Crafter Squares stickers. And I love these in particular. These are really pretty too. So I'll share the project soon with you guys. And then I went to the fabric aisle and found these. How cool are these fabrics? I mean, they will fit perfectly into my junk journaling project. So I got 3 different colors in blue, pink, and yellow. And then I really like this floral fabric. It almost feels like upholstery fabric, so you can definitely use it as a throw pillow cover, and it will make a wonderful sturdy cover for a junk journal, or even for a sewn tote bag or a zippered pouch. So love that. What else did we get? Oh, Emmy wanted to try out their shower caps, and so we got one of those. And the last item that I got is for Emmy. She wanted the Krabby Patty gummies. She finally got her braces off, so she's kind of gummy happy because now she is allowed to eat popcorn and gummies. So that is it, guys. I hope you enjoyed this DT haul. Thanks again for watching. I'll see you next time. Bye.